Dragon Marinara Nutmeat. It's gluten friendly, vegan friendly, vegetarian friendly, you guessed it, meat friendly. Curry powder, any generic curry powder, whatever flavor. Basil leaves, fennel seeds, quarter onion, 2 cloves, tomato paste. This is the source of protein, Nutolene. Good sauce. What I'm doing here is just chopping the onions. Now you don't have to use onions for those of you who are allergic to onions or who just like the taste. And that's the onions. Garlic. In the onions and the garlic. This and a very just olive oil in there. What we're going to do is fry it. This will be the stock for the sauce. Water, bit of flavor. So you put that in there. That's the sauce cooking right there. Nutolene, and essentially I've cut the tops off like this. That's the Nutolene for slide. 1, 2. You want it to come out just like this. Zoop, that's it. Nice and brown. And you just break it open there. Oh, look at that. You can even look at the steam coming up. In half. This allows the sauce to get into the beautiful soft parts. And all we're going to do is pour it in. You see that? Just pour it in. Oh, beautiful. The sauce is going to soak into the beautiful nut meat, and then it's going to be so tasty. Now let's just shake it up a bit. Make sure the sauce gets everywhere. Baked whole wheat bread with some olive oil. We're going to mix that with the nut meat and eat it. Yummy! Okay, let's put the nut meat on there. Oh, look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Take a bit off the bread. Here we go. Dragon Marinara Nutmeat. Mmm. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? Mmm.